Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a detailed walkthrough on adding another Gmail account to your Android device. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. To get started, open the Gmail application on your Android device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner, where you'll find the profile icon. I've blurred my existing email addresses for the sake of privacy. Underneath, you'll spot an option to add another account. Go ahead and tap on it. From the available options, select Google. This will prompt you to enter the Gmail address for the account you wish to add. Once you've entered the address, tap Next. The subsequent step involves entering the password associated with the Gmail account. In case you've forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it. Simply tap Forgot Password and follow the provided steps. Assuming you still remember the password, input it and tap Next. Following this, you'll be asked to agree to the terms. Do so by tapping I agree. With these steps completed, you've successfully added a new Gmail account to your Android phone. To confirm the addition, tap on the profile icon again. You should now see the newly added account alongside your existing ones. In my case, I now have 3 Gmail accounts in my profile. I trust this detailed guide proves helpful for you. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to catching you in the next video.